Welcome to the Hidden Truths channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. Now, you might think that being close to the Sun makes Mercury a scorching inferno of a planet, and you'd be right. But there's a whole lot more to this little planet than meets the eye. Here are 10 mind-blowing facts about Mercury that you probably didn't know. Get ready to have your mind blown wide open because we're about to explore a world of extremes, from its searing heat to its icy secrets. First up, let's talk size. You know how much we love to put things in perspective in the universe, and Mercury is no exception. It's the smallest planet in our solar system, folks. In fact, it's only slightly larger than our own moon. That's right, if you were to line up Mercury and the moon side by side, you'd be forgiven for mistaking them as cosmic twins. But don't let its diminutive size fool you. Mercury packs a punch when it comes to surprises. Here on Earth, we take our atmosphere for granted. It's the blanket of air that protects us from the harshness of space and allows us to breathe. But Mercury? Well, Mercury doesn't play by Earth's rules. This little planet has virtually no atmosphere to speak of. It's what we astronomers call an airless world, and that lack of atmospheric insulation makes for some pretty wild temperature swings. Speaking of wild temperature swings, buckle up because Mercury takes the cake. Imagine this. On the side of Mercury facing the Sun, temperatures can soar to a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt lead. But on the dark side, the side facing away from the Sun, temperatures plummet to a frigid minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a temperature difference of over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, the most extreme in the solar system. Chapter 4. Here on Earth, a day is a pretty manageable 24 hours, but on Mercury, a day is a whole different story. Get this. One day on Mercury from sunrise to sunrise lasts a mind-boggling 176 Earth days. That's right, you could spend almost half an Earth year on Mercury and only experience one sunrise. Talk about a long day. Chapter 5. Now let's delve into Mercury's heart, shall we? Deep beneath its surface lies a massive iron core. In fact, Mercury's core is so large it makes up a whopping 85% of the planet's radius. That's like finding a grapefruit pit the size of a golf ball. This giant iron core is a key to understanding Mercury's magnetic field. But more on that later. Chapter 6. You wouldn't expect to find ice on a planet that's practically hugging the Sun, would you? But Mercury throws us another curveball. Believe it or not, scientists have discovered evidence of ice hiding in permanently shadowed craters at Mercury's poles. These craters are like cosmic refrigerators, shielded from the Sun's relentless heat, allowing ice to survive for billions of years. Earth's magnetic field is our invisible shield, protecting us from harmful radiation from the Sun. Mercury has a magnetic field too, but it's a bit of a weakling compared to Earth's. In fact, it's about 100 times weaker. Scientists believe that Mercury's magnetic field is generated by the constant churning of its massive iron core. You know how they say, even planets have bad days? Well, Mercury is literally having a shrinking spell. As its massive iron core cools over billions of years, it's causing the entire planet to contract. It's like Mercury is slowly deflating like a cosmic balloon, and as it shrinks, its surface wrinkles, creating cliffs and ridges. Mercury is a tough planet to study, mainly because it's so close to the Sun, but that hasn't stopped us from sending robotic explorers to check it out. NASA's Mariner 10 spacecraft zipped past Mercury in the 1970s, giving us our first close-up glimpses. And then, in 2011, NASA's Messenger spacecraft went into orbit around Mercury, sending back a treasure trove of data. Finally, we end our journey with a little cosmic symphony. One of Mercury's most prominent craters is named after the legendary composer Ludwig van Beethoven. It's a fitting tribute, considering Beethoven's music continues to inspire awe and wonder, just like the planet Mercury. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating space facts. Leave a comment below on which fact surprised you the most. Was it the extreme temperatures, the ice hidden at the poles, or maybe the fact that Mercury is shrinking? Let me know. And until next time, keep looking up.